Good morning, everybody. This is Tish, just doing what I do, cooking with colors in the kitchen. Yesterday, I canned broth, beef and onion. Well, this is onion broth. I added beef flavor to it, so I can guess I say beef, onion, beef broth, and stock. Excuse me, onion stock with beef flavoring. And this is chicken stock over here. So I came up with a little over seven. I have seven here, and then I have a jar left in a jar and a half in the refrigerator that I will use in one of my meals. And also a pressure can, 5 of the onion stock with beef flavoring. And I got 5 pint-sized jar of roasted chicken. This is the chicken that was rotisserie that I got from Sam's, and I have freezed it, and so I took it out and made chicken stock with it. And when I got done with the chicken stock, I didn't throw it away. I took the chicken and the onions and all the flavor and put it and jarred it up. So now I have jarred chicken, and I'm just going to clean my jars off with some vinegar, take the tops off and everything, and I am going to store it up, you know. Checking to see if they sealed. A lot of times when I do that, once I wipe it, I lift it up. If I can lift it up by the rim, it's sealed. I didn't have any siphoning, excuse me. That means the liquid coming out of the top of the jar. A lot of times that come from overfilling or not debubbling correctly, and maybe some other things. Those are things I had read. But yeah, if I can lift it up. Everything's nice and wiped up and clean, and then I'm gonna make sure I label it, and I'll take you over there where I'm gonna put them at on my storing shelf, my pantry shelf in my dining room. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Today is the 17th, because it was the 16th. And this is onion stock. Onion stock with beef flavor. Because I use one of the little cubes with a flavor in it, and I put it in there with it. So it's just not onion. So I'm going to label these. And then I'm going to take you over there so I can show you where we'll put them at. It's very important to label them, because a lot of times if you don't do it, you don't know when you made it and everything. And I like to do that. I'm just starting. This is my second year. This is 2023 now. So this is my second year. Oh, supposed to be flavor. My second year canning. So I started last summer. Once the produce came in, I started canning. I gave some of my canned stuff to some of my family members to see how they like it. I started with simple stuff. I did some YouTube University studying to learn how to do it. Like broth and soups. I did canned chicken drumettes. I like the flavor, but I think I will not can chicken again unless I have to. It's not a staple that I would do. The flavor's good, but the bone inside just disintegrated. It's like I didn't want that in there. So I think if I can anything, I might can boneless chicken. So I'm gonna see how this one does. I'll probably open one of them up maybe 3 months this summer and see how it would be. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. Not with the bone in, because the bone in it disintegrate the bone, and the bone will be like nothing. Yes, like nothing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the jars over to where I am going to be placing them, and I'm gonna let you see. Okay. So I have quite few agendas, things I have to do this morning, and I want to try to get some of those things done. This is my area over here. It's one of those shelving, 4 rack shelves, storage shelves I got from Sam's, and I just use that. And I have some bins up top. I don't know if you can see the bins. Let me show you. That I use for the smaller ones, and I got label things going. I saw these at not the Dollar Tree. I can't remember. It was Family Dollar. I think one of those was. I can't remember. But I thought it was it wasn't paper. I thought it was a clear sheet in it. But what I'm going to do, I am going to write on this and laminate them to put it inside of here. I wanted something that I can slide on. It's like a little slide slip. See? I wanted something that I can just slide on top of it so I can know what's in my bins. So, and they got multi-papers you can put in for it too. So, these bins cover the smaller jars, but the larger jars, I don't think these bins are going to be able to fill up as much. So I got to find something that will be at least that size. And if I don't, what I'm thinking about doing, because those bins is kind of expensive, $7 a piece for those. It was nice because it's right in the dining room, so I wanted to make sure it looked uniformal with the stuff that's in the dining room, not different colors, and then I have to change the curtains, all those things. So what I'm thinking about doing, I might wrap these boxes when I get some more sturdy boxes. When I go to Sam's, I usually see if they got boxes when you put your food in to put them in there, and I will get some more of the boxes and I'll probably wrap them. And I like the other ones. I got my jars on another shelf. So that's what I think I'm going to do, because the bin thing, but I know that I'm going to need to get some more of these bins to put on the other side so it can look kind of, I don't know. I was thinking about it, but I have to do something on the other side because it look kind of off a little bit to have just these bins and none of the other bins. So we'll see. But if I put the paper on it, wrap it with that same color paper, that color, I think it'll be okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope I have enough room over here to do this. I got one I could put here. I need to put in the back because this, what is a chicken? These are broth. I did chicken broth. These are broth. These are stock. Difference. See how thinner it is. This got the foam on top. It's okay. That because I didn't let it cool completely before I canned it, and I could have took the foam off, or I could have strained it. Kept straining it until I got all the bits and pieces. But I consider this like flavor. So when I get my jars open and I use it, boy, that just be flavor to me. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm just going to put my other one right there. I moved the jars when I open later. So, got some space down here. Got corn down here too. Oh, I got room down here. Oh, it's all the way back. Okay, so how many I got to put in? I can put like 2 more. And I'll go back and reorganize. Let's see, I have any room. I have any room. put my 3 over there. And I got some pint jars. Put 2 down there. I got room up here for, because I've been using some of my cowboy candy. If you haven't tried cowboy candy, oh my goodness, I'm gonna make plenty more this summer when my jalapenos come out. So that means I'm gonna have to grow plenty of jalapeno peppers. And if I don't grow enough, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna buy some from my local farmer market. Hopefully I get some of those. Ooh, that's not gonna fit. So now, let's see if I can get some over here. At least one. Yep, I can get one right there. And another one now. So my chicken is all over the place, seems like where it can fit it. I don't like it when it's squeezed up. If I got any more. No more room, but I got 2. So I think they turn out pretty good. Canned rotisserie chicken. Oh, you know what? Same thing I was telling you that I have to do, I didn't do. So I will go back and do those. I didn't put any markings on the chicken. I did it for everything else, but not the chicken. So I have some recipes I gotta file. So make sure I put this on here. Got to file some recipes that I have for my recipe books. So let me show you how the shelving is looking. Okay, so this is my shelving storage, I guess pantry shelf for my cans and jars, canned items. Like I have some canned chicken soup, some red bean soup, vegetables. I just put some of that. Oh, this right here is 15 bean soup right here. And I have the chicken stock. And this is the canned meat. What I did. Oh, I did do a teriyaki. I already ate that one. And a jerk. So this was the bone in. This was honey. I don't know if you can see it. Here you go. Honey, garlic. So that's how I have it look. It's real seasoned and everything. Oh, it tastes good. It tastes awesome, I'm telling you. But I think I want to do chicken pieces, so I will debone my chicken to put it in the next time. But it is delicious. Delicious. Canned beans. I got some corn. And I got some pears and peaches I did too. And up here, got some more peaches. And I got pickles. Everything labeled and dated. My cowboy candy, that's so good. Corn syrup. Well, that's the sort, like corn cob syrup. I know when I say corn syrup on my jar, it's corn cob syrup. I made syrup out of the cob of the corn. Got it from 1870 Homestead. She was the one that I love it. Got some more pickle wedges. I did very good. My pickle harvest was wonderful. My cucumbers was wonderful. I'm gonna make a lot more of those. Yeah, and over here, you see I have 2 shelves. I got one here and one over there. And I had found some crates I had in the garage they used for something else. I was trying to put wheels on it, but it didn't level out. But I said I don't really need it. And I put my cookbooks, my books for preserving food, and also my morning Bible study books is also some healthy, in my recipe binder. I put all my recipes in. And also you see up here, these are things I'm gonna work on my seeds. I want to order a little bit more seeds and stuff. And my layout for my garden. And my planner. I'll lay out my garden. Also my seed planner when I plant, when I do. I have to show y'all that a little bit later. And this right here, this is a great tool. I'm just going to throw this in here. This right here I found from Family Dollar, and it's helping us with our family finance. I used a regular book last year, and that was awesome. So this year I'm doing I have a more organized one for when I pay bills, what to save, and everything else, and that's good. And this over here, my baskets with all my lids, and I have some butternut squash over here that I'm going to be canning. Some more jars. A lot of these jars I got from estate sales, as well as yard sales and garage sales, thrift stores, all those, you know. One or two cases I bought from the store. But yeah, that's my storage area for my canning section. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you soon. This is Tish, just doing what I do. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and like the content and want to see more of it. Be blessed. Bye now.